Hi amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Phobia. In the earlier video, we have discussed exercise 6, 6D, first Roman and second Roman. In this video, let's discuss third Roman. So the first sum, it is given that show that cos square pi by 2 pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 10 plus cos square 3 pi by 10 plus cos square 9 pi by 10 is equals to 2. So solution. So this is cos square 5 pi by 10. Cos square, this can be written as this is 5 and this is 5, pi minus 3 pi by 5, and write this as it is 3 pi by 5 plus cos square, this can be written as pi minus pi by 10. Cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square pi by 10. So this is 2 cos square pi by 10 plus 2 cos square 3 pi by 5. 2 common, cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 3 pi by 5. So the value of cos square pi by 10 is cos square 18 plus this is cos square 72. So substitute the values. In this. Root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 whole square plus root over 5 minus 1 whole square. This is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16 plus 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16 plus 2 root 5 and minus 2 root 5 gets cancelled. So this is 2 into 16 by so this is 16 and 16 gets cancelled. So the answer is 2. Thus proved. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given as 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equals to 1 by 16. So write this cos pi by 10 as it is and this cos 3 by 10 as it is. 1 plus cos pi minus 3 pi by 10. 7 pi by 10 can be written as in this formula. Pi minus pi by 10. 1 plus cos pi by 10. 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. 1 minus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 minus cos pi by 10. So 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 minus cos pi by 10 is 1 square minus cos square pi by 10. A minus b plus a plus b whole square. 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 minus cos 3 pi by 10 is 1 square minus cos square 3 pi by 10. This can be written as 1 minus cos square theta sin square pi by 10 into 1 minus cos square 3 pi by theta. This is sin square 3 pi by 10. So this is sin square 18 into sin square 54. So the value of sin square 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square into root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square by 4. This is 6 plus 2 root 5 into 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16 into 16. A plus b into a minus b, that is 36 minus 20 by 16 into 16. This is 16 into 16 by 16. 16 gets cancelled. So you are left with 1 by 16. Let's go to the next sum, which is given as cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 is 1 by 3, 1 by 32. Here, in order to solve this sum, we have to use a simple method which is called as cos sine method. Cos-sine method. This method can be only used when they ask to find the values of 1 by 32 or 1 by 16 or 1 by 8. So this is cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11, and S represents sine. Write this into sine pi by 11 into sine 2 pi by 11 into sine 3 pi by 11 into sine 4 pi by 11 into sine 5 pi by 11. Multiply these two terms, C into S. This is sine pi by 11 into cos pi by 11 into sine 2 pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into sine 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into sine 4 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into sine 5 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. So multiply and divide with 32. So C into S is equals to 1 by 32 into, distribute 2 to every term. So this is 2 into sine pi by 11 into cos pi by 11. This is 2 into sine 2 pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11. 2 sine 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into sine 4 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 and 2 into sine 5 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. So C into S is equals to 1 by 32 into 2 sin theta cos theta. This is sine 2 pi by 11. 2 sin theta cos theta. This is sine 4 pi by 11. Similarly, this is sine 6 pi by 11. This is sine 8 pi by 11. And this is sine 10 pi by 11. 1 by 32 into sine 2 pi by 11 into sine 4 pi by 11 into, this can be written as sine of pi minus pi by 11. So this is 6 pi by 11. This can be written as pi of 3 pi by 11. Similarly, sine 10 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus pi by 11. So this is 1 by 32 into sine 2 pi by 11, sine 4 pi by 11, sine 5 pi by 11, sine 3 pi by 11 and sine pi by 11. So this is the value of S. So 1 by 3 into S. S and S get cancelled. So the value of C is cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 is equals to 1 by 32. Thus proved. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next important sum, which is repeated 3 times in a board question paper, which is, if a is not an integral multiple of pi, prove that cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a is equals to 16 sin 16a by 16 sin a. Hence reduce the value into cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15 into cos 16 pi by 15 is equals to 1 by 16. Solution: cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a, multiply and divide with 2 sin 2a, 2 sin a. So 2 sin a cos a by 2 sin a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a. So the value of 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a by 2 sin a. So multiply and divide by 2. So this is 2 sin 2a cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a by 4 sin a. So this is 2 sin a, 2 sin 2a into cos 2a. This is sin 4a into cos 4a into cos 8a by 4 sin a. Again divide, multiply and divide by 2. So 2 sin 4a cos 4a into cos 8a by 8 sin a. So this is sin 2 sin 4a into cos 4a. This is sin 8a into cos 8a by 8 sin a. Again multiply and divide by 2. This is 2 sin 8a into cos 8a by 16 sin a. So the value of 2 sin 8a into cos 8a is sin 16a by 16 sin a. Thus we have proved one bit of this question. Hence reduce, hence let's prove this one, which is cos 2 pi by 15 into cos 4 pi by 15 into cos 8 pi by 15 into cos 16 pi by 15. Take let theta let a is equals to 2 pi by 15. So this is in the formula of cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a into cos 8a. So the value of this is sin of 16 into a by 16 sin a. So the value of a is 2 pi by 15. 16 into 2 pi by 15 by 16 into sin 2 pi by 15. So this is sin 32 pi by 15 into 16 into sin 2 pi by 15. This can be written as 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15 by 16 into sin 2 pi by 15. So this is sin into 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15 15 by 16 into sine 2 pi by 15. So this is sine 2 pi by theta is sine theta. Sine 2 pi by 15 by 16 into sine 2 pi by 15. Sine 2 pi by 15, sine 2 pi by 15 cancel. So answer is 1 by 16. I hope you have understood with the problems explained today. Stay tuned for the next series of videos. Do like, share, subscribe my channel.